how to turn an image into a vector file in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this image of a car here, and as you can see, it's a raster image because the more I zoom in, you start to see these pixels, these individual pixels. And if we want to scale this up to a very big size, we will start seeing these a lot more often. And that's why we want to turn it into a vector, because no matter the size, it will always have sharp lines. So in order to turn this into a vector, we have to select the image first, and then we go to image trace here on the right, or if it doesn't show up for you, you should go up here where it says window, and you can just find image trace here and it should appear. Okay, let me select this and I go to image trace, and I have a bunch of different options here I can choose from. As this is a flat design of a car, it means it has flat colors. It will be a lot easier to turn it into a vector, and it will be also a lot faster and easier to do that. But you can also use more intricate photos. It will just take more time to turn them into a vector, and you'll have to deal with a lot more objects and fills and so on. And okay, but in this case it should be relatively easy, so I'll just go with high fidelity photo for this one. And you might get a message like that saying it will the image is very large and it will render it slowly, but that's okay. We just click on OK and we wait for it to do its magic. It may take a bit longer for depending on your PC and your PC's performance. Okay, that's it for here. We can click on expand if we're happy with our result, or if we want to refine it even further, we can just here where it says image trace, we can click on this little window which says open the image trace panel, and here we can do further adjustments to it, like change the color modes, how many colors it uses. We can limit that if we want to make the image a little bit simpler. And we have also a couple of advanced options here. And once we're done with that, we can just click on expand and it will turn it into a vector image. And as you can see, if I go into my outline view, it's turning it into outlines like that. And as you can see, no matter how much I zoom in, there are no pixels visible because it's now a vector image. And that's how you turn an image into a vector in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.